Hi, this is Frederick Asari. I want to urge you all to subscribe to Asante Kotoko YouTube channel for all your updates. Thank you.
Steve,
Yes,
good to have you once again.
thank you.
2 goals in your last 2 games. Have you found your confidence back?
Probably yes. Yeah, scoring in each game that gives confidence as a striker. So I also thank even the team because it's really a teamwork thing. Yeah.
We seem to be on a trajectory of positive results. The resurgence has been positive. What has accounted for it?
Yeah, basically, I would say that the communication, the motivation from the king, the words of wisdom, there's the way it reminded us as a player, the fans, the technical team, how Kotoko big it is. So I think probably that is a motivation we have right now.
There's no question about the influence of the king and the impact on the various aspects of our lives when he comes in. But as a group, should you have waited for him to intervene before, like we saw that you are capable as real warriors?
Yeah, like I would say we are talented. Yeah, we are talented. We have young players who are talented as well. So even as the mature players, yeah, it just needed us to get time and then sit down and try to rectify some of the mistakes we did, which didn't help us.
On Sunday, you recorded your tally for last season. That's your 11th goal of the season. Last season, you scored 11 in all. How would you say, are you happy with that achievement, and do you think you can do more, or you should have done more in terms of the numbers this season?
Basically, as a striker, if you want to see that you are improving, you have to fight and at least equal the number you scored last season or go beyond that. So we still have 5 more games to go, and this gives me the motivation and the belief that at least I'm seeing the ultimate goal, which is taking the golden boot. So that's also a motivation to me.
A lot of pundits and media followers of the league are of the view that, looking at the quality that you possess and your profile as a striker, you have all that it takes to be unstoppable, as in the number of goals. They feel that you are underperforming in terms of the output of goals, that you should be scoring a wide number of goals. Do you agree with them, and do you think that you can actually achieve that this season?
Yeah, I can agree with them at some point. Yeah, but we all have to believe and know that this is a teamwork. It's not an individual effort. So it needs. I also need the support from the teammates as well. Yeah, like they've said, I have the qualities to score more goals, but still, it's a teamwork. I can't do it alone. Yeah, of which they've really done it. These matches we have won. So yeah, it's coming. I think I'll score more.
We've gone through some terrible patch. How frustrating was that for you personally and as a whole group, knowing that you are going to matches with full of expectation from the fans, and yet the same old story happens where Kotoko will either have to lose or draw games? How was that period like?
I never wanted to go back to the memories we had because it was a bad experience as a team, as a player, like as the whole Kotoko family. So it was not a good experience. So I wouldn't prefer to bring it back because now we have gotten our heads up and we are looking forward to bring Kotoko back on top.
Yeah, I know it was one of those periods that all of us would not want to remember or speak about, but were there moments that on the field you feel like, what is happening? Like, you seem to not find solutions to it. Just can't put to words what was happening. Were there moments like that in your own closets or on the field? Did you experience something like that?
Yeah, I experienced it. Yeah, but you know, this is football. You expect anything. Anything can happen at any time. But the good thing, we have really worked hard and we have gotten to our feet. So I believe it won't come back again, and we are going forward to bring Kotoko where it belongs.
As an experienced player, international one as well, are you impressed with the output of your colleagues, the sort of football you guys have been displaying on the field, and the resilience aspect of it, taking into context that of Samates, Mediama, and then against Legon Cities last weekend?
Yeah, so like I said, I believe in the team. I believe in the process as well. Yeah, though we have young players that are talented, and it just needed a little bit of twisting in the mindset so that we can get there, of which we have done, and I believe we're just going forward.
The season in our contest mathematically is still possible, but looking on the other side of it, I think we are far off reach in winning it. But do you think that the group that you are part of, do you think that we have potentials next season beefing up and reaching the title?
Yeah, I believe I know we can't really reach him because he has gone really far, but now at the moment we are looking forward to win all our remaining matches to see at least if we can go in the second position, which will not be bad. Yeah, probably what I can say about the next season, I believe the next season it will be more different than this season.
We've seen you most of the times with Baba, and you two seem to have this sort of understanding. Where does that come from? Because you scored from the spot, and most of the penalties, if converted, is as a result of him being brought down. What sort of quality does he possess, and what's that relationship you have with him?
Yeah, besides in the field, out of the field, we are good friends. Yeah, we are good friends. Sometimes we hang around, we play FIFA together, so that mutual understanding is really helping us. And yeah, we know that he's a good player as well, so he can do anything at any time unexpectedly. Yeah.
So in the FIFA game, are you always beating him, or he's the top man there?
I think I think we can equal each other. Yeah, because he can. If I have a bad day, then he'll beat me. If he has a bad day, then I'll beat him. So it's kind of equal game. Yeah.
We know your iconic trademark celebration, but in your last two games where you scored, we seen you trying to hold. What's that celebration? Where from that? And is it a new one? What's the story behind that?
Okay. Yeah. That celebration, I can't really tell, but there's a funny Tik Toker. Yeah, he's a Ghanaian based in Kumasi. I really enjoy his funny videos. So
do you know his name?
Not really, but he calls himself Soa.
Soa.
Yeah.
Is it Asante Powers?
I think so. Maybe that guy.
So your celebration is
but I have Bonsu is the most supportive guy, so he always try to bring it out. Sometimes I click out, I forget. Yeah, so Bonsu will try to bring it out, and so that we can perform it. Sometimes it's late, other stuff. Yeah.
So the new celebration is because of your love for Asante Powers.
Asante Powers, yeah. He's a really good man.
Because he who's his son and.
Taba left now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know the meaning, but I just hear Taba left. I really enjoy that.
All right. Yeah. So we have 5 games to go From your own assessment, can we pick the maximum points, and would you promise that we'll not go back to the difficult?
Yeah, like I said, Kotoko is a big team, and when we get to our feet, no one can stop us in the Ghana Premier League. So I believe, and I have a strong belief that we can win the remaining matches.
Thank you so much, Steve.
You're welcome.
Muswali amusi so wani boy na manu be dem professional amusi uni boy dog ye mama nu na mene idonya me professional ai pasa ne touches craft touches na fe ai me and you kuno domino ai pasa the touches are fair kai professional Stop no. Boy, we na mesra. Masa. Hey. Left him kwa. Tabano. Enyakasa. Player na dey what you should not dream. You should not dream you know. Take it pan ba either the left or the right. The ability talking no. Nyansa. Masa. So then na media ma do league. Ha. Sensibility. Match bi na so go. Ball na ba keep pan ba. Left and right. Left. Ai. Masa. Hey. Ajiji dem adaga. Hey, adaga. Jonathan so gaga. So we the ball. Me ba cho. Yo, ball ni bra. Ha! Ai! Bo! Wala! Maestro! Kai, wa run atade. Wa ro, ha! Babla! Ha! Professional. Hey! We are Kotoje. Hey! The biya juma. Hey, left no. Hey! Left. Professional.